I might creep people out, but I have long conversations with my father still.
Okay.
I mean, I think, what did my dad do? It was a similar situation that I saw my father in, and what did he do?
Yes.
And if I asked him, Dad, what am I supposed to do? What would he say? So that's that, because I'm in government,
Yeah,
and I'm
right.
president,
Yeah.
and he was president.
Right.
That's a treasure trove of good advice right
Yeah.
there. I try to look back and sort of see what you know of what you know of him.
Yeah.
What would he say?
Okay.
Oh, how would he judge what you just did? With,
Yeah.
Anak, mali yan. Or anak, very good. Or whatever, you know. So the the one thing since I became president, sometimes I hear in the back of my mind, it's like my father and some of his other political allies, yung sa generation niya.
Yeah.
Oh, mahirap ano.
But you knew
Parang
that.
narinig
You
ko,
knew it was
ano,